Hi guys, if you've ever wondered how to start investing, I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough on how I started investing on Questrade, right? So today I'm currently about 80% up on Questrade. I'll show you how I started investing on Questrade, beginner level, step by step. All right, I'm probably going to buy a stock today as well. Yeah, I love Questrade. It's very easy to navigate. All right, so you want to look at these buttons at the bottom here. You have buy, you have move money, you have transactions. That is where the magic happens. So if you go to the buy button over here, that's where you want to buy a stock. So if you want to buy or sell, so you click on the stock you want to buy or sell, right? So assuming the stock you want to buy is not on that list, you want to type the name of the stock. Assuming you want to buy Apple, you're going to type Apple over here. So it tells you Apple's share is currently 269, right? So you just click on Apple, right? So it brings up this nice lovely chart over here, right? So at the bottom here you have some info about Apple. It shows you the previous closing price of 270. It shows you the highest price it has gotten to, which is 266, or rather the lowest price it has gotten to, which is 266, right? So you just have this nice info around here, and then you make a decision that you want to buy, right? So okay, so some commercial over there, so I'm just going to pull this down, right? So now the key things we're going to learn today are these features. A lot of people get confused about this market order, the limit order. So what is the market order? Market order talks about buying the stock at the current market price or something close to the market price. And the reason why I added that clause, close to the market price, is because the market is constantly trading. So you might want to buy a stock for $100 and the price quickly drops to around maybe $99 or thereabouts. The app is still going to execute that buy for you. So it's going to try to buy it as much as possible close to your market order price. Now the limit order means, right, you want to place the price you want to buy. So I'll give you an example. Assuming you want to buy, you go to a store, you want to buy a handbag, and then they tell you the price is $1,000, but you believe that maybe there's going to be Black Friday around the corner, right? And you say, hey, I'm not going to buy it today, but I'm going to give you $900 so that when it's Black Friday you buy for me. That's what a limit order means. Limit order means you're going to buy it at your desired price, while market order means on the spot price, right? Now let's just do a demo using this market order, right? So assuming you want to buy Apple and you come over here, you say, hey, Apple is 269, but how much do you want to buy, or what's the amount you want to buy? So you're going to come over here and say, hey, okay, I want to buy the one of $500. So it's telling you here that 500 is going to give you 1.8 in quantity. Assuming you want to buy something less than one full apple, which is what they call fractional share. You see right here, it tells you that you can actually buy a fraction. You can buy in bits of apple, right? So you come over here, you say, okay, I just want to buy half of it, right? So that's 0.5 over there. Or you can also use the amount to whichever one you prefer. You can say, hey, I just want to buy $120 worth of apple, right? So I'm just asking you, how long do you want to keep the order open? This is actually important when you're doing a limit order, right? So but just doing this for demo sake, because market is currently closed right now, so you can't buy a market order when the market has closed. Just for your information, the market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time and closes at 4 p.m. Eastern time, right? So whenever you're doing market order and you're doing fractional shares, you want to do it during market time, right? So assuming we're trying to buy this stock right here, BITF, okay? And we come over here and say, hey, we want to buy one share of BITF market order. I'll move on to the next page, right? So it's going to show us a review of what we're trying to buy, and then we'll go ahead and send the order, right? So the order has been placed for one share of BITF. So this order is going to be in queue till when the market opens the next day, right? So I'm going to show you one more thing about how to limit order. If you're trying to buy, you come over here, instead of market order, you do a limit order. Like I said previously, this basically talks about buying shares when you want to buy at a lower price than what the going market rate is. So assuming this share is $4.11 over there, and you want to buy it when it drops to $2.98 or whatever price you prefer. So assuming you want to buy it at $2.98, just put the price you want to buy, and it's asking you what's the quantity you want to buy. You can say, hey, I want to buy 5 at $2.98, right? So in this case, you want to make sure that you look at the screen right here. So basically it's asking you, how long do you want to keep this order open, right? I do this a lot. If I feel that the price of a share is going to drop, I want to keep it open for as long as possible. So it says, do you want to keep it open for good till cancelled? It's going to be open until you come over there and you cancel it yourself, right? If you keep it for 1 day, the app is going to cancel it for you after 24 hours or after the market closes at 4 p.m. the next day. All right. So it says, do you want to keep it open till market extended hours, right? So extended hours is between 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then it expires by itself. So basically, these are some options you can choose just to make sure that your stock, or rather your order, doesn't drop off without gains how you want it to drop off, basically. So this is what I prefer always. I always choose this good till cancelled. Good till it's going to be open till I come and cancel it myself. That's basically what it's saying. And then I go over here and then I review the order, and then everything looks good. Good till cancelled, right? 5 shares of BITF, and the total price is going to be $14 for this BITF. And this is very important. If you're buying shares on Questrade, the commission is actually free. There's a couple of ways they charge, but I'm probably going to do another video around that. That's not for today, right? So if you want me to do a video on how Questrade take their charge, I'm going to do that later. Put your comments on the comment section. But for today, we're just going to keep it simple. So we'll go ahead and click on send order over there, and voila, right? So the order is already queued, 0 commission, like they said. All right, so these other features over here talks about, we're going to look at those orders. I'll show you how to find your order that has been queued. So this is how you deposit money. You want to link your bank account. These are some of the avenues they have to deposit money. So you can actually add your Questrade account on your bank payment app, and then you link it, and then you use it as bills payments to fund the account, right? It says here no fees. It takes about 1 to 2 days. You want to look at these features and know which one suits your timing, right? So you can also do pre-authorized debit, use your Visa card. You can do Interact to fund your account. Several options they have right here, correct? Right, so let's just look at one of them. So assuming you come over here, pre-authorized debits, you link your account, you look at your account, and then some other features, you add your bank account. It's going to take you to another page where you begin to use these third-party companies to link your payments to Questrade, right? So I'm going to cancel this deposit over here. So again, move money. So this is if you want to withdraw, very important. I get a lot of questions where people say, hey, I funded, how do I then withdraw my money? Is it safe? Questrade, they do have proper licensing from the governing body for brokerage apps. So yeah, do your research and then you find out the license they have. But I can tell you they are licensed to operate in Canada, right? So if you want to withdraw money, let's say you've already traded, you've made money, you connect your bank account. I've never withdrawn any money before, but right here, let's see how it goes. So you go through the prompt, connect your bank account, and then voila, you're going to withdraw your cash as well. All right, so that's how you withdraw. And so we're going to look at this page over here. It basically shows you your history, the funding you've done, basic account services right there. So I'm just going to look at some of the apps the order we already queued. So if you go down here, you see where on the home page really. So if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see where it says order, watch list, events. So you click on order. So it shows us those 2 orders that we already placed, right? Over here, you can see the total equity you have, the market value, your days, today's profit or loss, the money you've made today or the money you've lost. I like this button over here, the see all button. It shows you a quick summary of your account, okay? To open an account, so you can choose to open your TFSA, your RRSP, or any sort of account. In another video, I'm going to show you how to buy stock on your TFSA account. So till I catch you next time, keep investing, and don't forget to like and share this with a friend that might need this, okay? Bye for now. Have a great one.